Want to get married in Minneapolis, Maple Grove, or anywhere in Hennepin County without paying the full $125 application fee? The good news is you can legally slash that fee while building a stronger foundation for your future together. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a board-certified counselor right here in Minnesota. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Hennepin County process, what documents you must bring, and the specific state statute that guarantees you a $75 discount. First, let's look at the numbers. The standard fee for a marriage license at any Hennepin County Service Center is $125. However, under Minnesota Statute 517.08, if you complete an approved 12-hour premarital education course, like the official one we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to reduce your fee. That discount drops your total courthouse cost down to an incredibly low $50, keeping $75 right in your pocket. Beyond the financial savings, our premarital course helps you establish strong communication skills and manage stress before the big day. It's a great investment in your relationship. However, there is a catch when it comes to claiming your legal discount. Minnesota state law is incredibly strict. The county will absolutely reject a printed PDF. By law, you must present an original, physically signed, and notarized educator statement on official letterhead. Because this must be mailed to you, it's crucial that you don't wait until the last minute to take the course. To secure your $75 discount, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official 12-hour curriculum is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop and pause whenever you need. The course is a flat $29.97 per couple. The moment you finish, we immediately physically sign, notarize, and mail your original educator's statement directly to your home via USPS, ensuring you have the exact authentic document Hennepin County demands. When you receive our notarized letter in the mail, you are ready to apply. We highly recommend starting the marriage license application on the Hennepin County website first to save time. Then, both you and your partner must appear together in person at a Hennepin County Service Center, like the Government Center in downtown Minneapolis or the Ridgedale or Maple Grove locations. Hand the clerk your original notarized Cadenza Counseling statement, along with your valid government-issued photo IDs. They will verify your document, apply your $75 discount, and issue your active license right there. To claim your $75 Hennepin County discount and start building a stronger relationship, click the link in the description below to register for our official Minnesota premarital course today so we can get your notarized statement in the mail. If you have any questions about the Minneapolis marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding.